Hey, today I thought we'd have some fun with patterns.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. Now, people, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a one-boy, cuddly toy, my up, my down, my pride and joy. People, let me tell you about him. It's so much fun, whether we're walking man to man or whether we're walking sun to sun, 'cause he's my best friend. Yeah, he's my best friend. La la, ba da 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 ya, ba da ba da da ya.
Do you have a 2?
Ra ba da beep beep, no no no. Ra ba da beep beep, no no no.
Okay, so maybe not that much fun, but they're still pretty interesting. Let's take a look at some of these.
Patterns are everywhere. They're made by nature, they're made by man. You can see them, you can hear them, you can even feel them. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Of course, math has lots of patterns. We'll talk about that later. But so do lots of other things. Even time has a pattern to it. Have you ever heard the saying, history repeats itself? That means we can learn from past patterns to help avoid future conflicts, or improve safety, or fight disease. If we want the same results, we will repeat the pattern. If we want different results, we'll change the pattern. Sometimes patterns repeat in exactly the same way. Sometimes they're close, but maybe slightly increase or slightly decrease. And sometimes they don't really repeat at all, but are still arranged in a sequence that is recognizable when you see it. Like the bark of this tree. It's different than any other, but you still recognize it as a tree. Let's look at some of these impressive patterns.
As you can see, we are surrounded by patterns. They help us classify and identify. They help us solve problems. They even help us predict future events. Can you find interesting patterns where you live? I bet you can. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.